We are still waiting for a few people and then we are going to start the meeting.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay.
Amna and
Hey.
Khadija. Okay, let's start now. I hope most of the students are here, right? So we are going to start now. Let's begin with the name of Allah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the first session of the course Short Story Writing, and I am Lubna Farhan Ali. I'll introduce myself first of all, so that you will know me better now when I'm your instructor for the rest of this course, which is a 1-month online course for short story writing. I can see that some of you are very, very young. I hope that you'll be able to follow, right? Okay. I'm basically for you, I'll keep it in very, very simple words. I'm a teacher, a researcher, and an entrepreneur, as you can see. I did my master's and a second master's in English literature and linguistics both. Then I did my applied linguistics, MPhil in applied linguistics. Then I started teaching at some universities. So IOBM was one of those universities, along with 2 or 3 more universities where I worked as a visiting faculty. Currently, I'm working as a visiting faculty in 2 or 3 institutions. So I'll keep my introduction short. One thing which I would like to request all of you, everybody who is in this meeting has to switch on their cameras. If you don't switch on your cameras, you will be removed from this session. This is being said very, very strictly. You have to switch on your cameras. I want to see your dear faces. So Asjad Imran, kindly switch on your camera. Javeria Humain, camera. Kahuma, switch on your camera. Hamna, Unes, kindly please switch on your camera. We need to follow everything which we are teaching them. Kindly switch on your camera. Ishal is here. Hi, Ishal.
Hi, Miss.
Hi. Everybody, please switch on your cameras and then I'll start the class. Hi, Haneen.
Hi.
How are you?
Good.
Good. Haneen, how old are you?
5.
5, Haneen. Haneen, what did you learn today?
Reading, learning, story writing.
You are going to learn story writing. Have you written down any stories yet?
No.
Yeah? No?
Yes, you have.
Have you read any stories?
Yes.
Have you
Only
read
some.
Can you name a few
What is the name?
One
already?
is who is a monkey. And then
Okay.
hmm,
Okay.
I read a different story. I can't remember the title.
That was a Lucky
Okay.
Jack.
Haneen, you are such a small dear kid, beta. If you don't follow anything which is happening in the course, okay, during the session, if there is anything which you don't follow because you are so young, let me know, okay? Not
Okay.
during when I am speaking, not during when I am speaking, but later maybe, okay? Later through chat on WhatsApp, through chat box here, okay?
Okay.
Right? Okay. Let me see if everybody has switched on their cameras or not. Who are Hamna and Khadija? Kindly, if you are students, please switch on your camera.
They're my cousins.
Hamna and Khadija, kindly please unmute yourselves. and switch on your camera. That's great, Hamna and Khadija. Welcome to the course. Welcome to the session. Now I can see you. It's better now. We both of us can see each other, isn't it so? It's better this way. I will again request Shifa and Unes both to switch on their cameras, please. Okay. Now we are moving on. Since everybody is here, almost all of you have switched on your cameras. Let's move on. Okay. I introduced myself and now I'm going to introduce this course. Throughout the course, what we are going to do, I'll tell you in detail, and then we will move on to some other things which we are going to achieve today, inshallah. Okay, so as you know, this course is all about short story writing. It's a 1-month course in which you are going to learn a lot. Introduction to story writing is something with which you are going to begin. I'll define what a short story writing is, what a short story is. I'll define it through which I have taken from different authors or different. Kindly mute yourselves. The ones who are unmuted, kindly mute your speakers. Then we will discuss the various genres of short story. Then we will discuss who the famous short story writers are and what is their work all about. Then we are going to discuss the elements or components of a short story. Under this, we are going to discuss, begin with title of a short story, which is one very crucial element of any short story. Then we'll move on to setting. We'll move on to exposition in the weeks to come, how to begin in the weeks to come, character development, plot development, conflict, how to end. Specific storytelling vocabulary will be taught in the last week. Okay? Understood the course structure? Right? Okay. Now we are going to move on to, I started with about myself, then I moved on to about my course, and then I am moving on to about my students. One by one, I'm going to take your names and you are going to introduce yourselves. It's a must that we, isn't it so? Somebody's mic is on. Please switch it off. Or let me check. Okay. Now, as far as you are concerned, I'll make it very structured. You are going to introduce yourselves. I'm going to take your names, and one by one, you will have to follow this structure and introduce yourself. What is this structure? Please introduce yourself. It means your name, your age, your class, your school should be given by you. Your reason for enrolling in this course should be given by you. Your favorite short story. You must have read by now many short stories. Just one favorite short story by you. The areas where you lack when you are writing down a short story. What do you feel? Are there certain areas where you lack, where you feel that you are struggling? Your expectations from this particular course. Okay, so it's a very structured introduction that you are going to go for. It is going to be a very interactive class. It's better if we start participating now, which I'll make you do. Okay, so please introduce yourselves now. I'll take names. So I'll take name of Ishal Junaid. Ishal, introduce yourself. Give me the reason of you for enrolling in this course, your favorite short story, your areas where you feel you are struggling when you are writing down a story, your expectations from this course. Okay? Yes, Ishal.
Okay. Yes. Hi, my name is Ishal Junaid. I am almost 12 years old and I am grade 6. School is Al Hassan International School. I live in Saudi Arabia. My reason for enrolling in this course is because I have a sort of a hobby of writing short stories and I wanted to get more experience. My favorite short story is The Telltale Heart by Edgar Allan Poe. the areas where you lack. Well, I lack in vocabulary and writing hard words. My expectation from this course is to learn more, and until now, it's a really good. My expectations are good.
Okay, that's great. Ishal, tell me, you talked about your favorite short story, right? It
Yeah.
means that you have read quite many. And the story, the name of the story that you took is a very, very famous story by Edgar Allan Poe, isn't it so? Right?
Yes.
This is one of the writers whom we are going to discuss. I'll show you many other things as well. Tell me, you said the areas where you lack is vocabulary, right?
Yes.
What else you feel that can you develop a character very well when you are writing down a story? How many stories you have written down till now?
I have written 5 short stories and long stories for my school. I have written four.
Okay. Did you get anything published in your school magazine or town magazine or anywhere else?
No, in my old school, it got published in the school newspaper.
That's very good. That's one of the achievements I was looking for. Okay. Thank you, Ishal. We are moving on to Asjad. Yes, Asjad Imran. Please introduce yourself. Unmute yourself and introduce.
My name is Ajayan. I am 11 years old and I am in class 6 and I was in Nakhla. I was in Nakhla school, but now I have taken admission in Happy Home.
Okay, that's great. Your reason for enrolling in this course is?
My mother want to take this. My mother wants that I take this course.
That's very good, Asjad. Your mother, I think, has very good intentions for you, isn't it so? Isn't it so? Like all mothers, she has very good intentions for you. She wants you to learn multiple things, right?
Yes.
Okay, Asjad, do you write down stories when you are in your school or at home? Have you ever written down a story for your examination, maybe during the semester, anywhere?
No, I have just written one story.
Okay, when you are attempting an English composition paper and there are multiple topics which are given, which topic you usually pick up? Do you pick story writing or descriptive writing or argumentation? What do you pick?
Descriptive writing.
Descriptive writing. Okay, that's great. If you learn it well, you will enjoy writing short story writing as well from now on. Okay. You must have read many stories till now, Asjad. Favorite short story? Which one is your favorite short story?
I don't like to read short story. I like to read a novel.
Okay, that's very good. Which one is your favorite novel? Novel is not much different from a story. Okay, it also holds a story. So
A short story is a very short story. A novel is of 11, 12 chapter.
yeah, I know that's very good, Asjad, but that's also a story. So which one is your favorite novel?
Sherlock Holmes and
Oh,
Gulliver Travelers.
that's
And
very good.
The Railway Children, The Beast Quest,
Okay.
and a
These
lot
are
are
okay, Asjad. These are all the ones which were included in your school syllabus, isn't it so?
no,
Gulliver's Travels must have been there in your school syllabus. Railway Children must
no.
have been in your school syllabus. No, you read it on your own. That's very good of
Yes.
you. That's very good of you. Okay, Asjad. Are there any areas where you feel you lack?
In vocabularies and in punctuation.
Okay, okay, got it. Your expectations from this course. You are there in your course in this course now. What do you think you are going to learn?
I will learn too much from this course.
Let's hope so. Okay, let's hope so. Okay, Asjad, thank you so much. You were so you spoke so well. Thank you so much. And now we are going to move on to Haneen. Haneen, how are you doing? Switch on your camera.
Good. My camera is on.
That's very good. Yeah, I wanted to say switch on your mic and mute yourself. Okay. Now, Haneen, introduce yourself, your name, your grade, your school, your reason for enrolling in this course. Okay, one by one. Okay, Haneen. Yes, your name, full name.
My name is Haneen.
Haneen, full name.
Sayyida Haneen Ahmed. Sayyida Ahmed Fatma.
Oh, Haneen. Very good,
Very
Haneen.
long name.
Okay, your age, 5 you
I-
told me, right? Your grade is, in which grade you are?
KG2.
Okay,
I'm
that's
still-
great, Aneen. Aneen, I will love your presence in this course. Okay, stick with us. Okay. Your favorite short story, Haneen?
Ferris Mirabelle.
Okay, that's very good. Haneen writes down. I know Haneen must not have written so many stories, so we'll keep her introduction very short. Haneen, thank you so much.
I wrote 5 stories.
My God, you wrote 5 stories.
Yes,
In which school you are,
all
Haneen?
by myself.
Oh my goodness. Haneen, in which school you are?
GFS.
Which one?
GFS.
Full name?
Okay.
Jump
Jumping.
Founded.
Dubai.
Jump Founded School.
Where do you reside? Where do you live, Haneen?
Into VA.
In Dubai.
Yeah,
We
in
are in
Dubai.
Dubai actually.
Yes.
Okay. Got it. Now, Haneen, stick with us. Okay, we will love your presence. Okay. Thank you so much, Haneen. Okay, now we are going to move on to
Welcome.
Javeria Humair. Javeria, please introduce yourself. And now you know the structure, so I won't repeat it. Okay? Introduce yourself.
Okay. Hello, my name is Turia. I'm almost 12, and my reason for enrolling is because I have a love for writing. My favorite story is Alchemist. I lack my spellings. My expectation is that this course will enhance my writing and make me a superior writer.
Okay, you're right. I missed a few things because there is some bang, some echo in your mic. No problems. But I would like to know in which school you are, Javeria.
I am homeschooled actually.
In which one?
I am homeschooled.
Okay, got it. Okay. Your expectations from this course, Javeria.
My expectation is that this course will enhance my writing and make me a superior writer.
Okay, that's definitely we will try to achieve it. Okay, thank you so much. Aban. Yes, Aban, I took your name rightly. If I unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, Aban, your full name. Introduce yourself, please.
Aban Fahim. My
Okay.
name is Aban Fahim. I am almost 10 years old
Yeah.
and I
In which
study in
school
the
you are,
Orchid School.
Aban? Which school you are?
The Orchid School.
Okay. That's in Karachi, I believe. Yeah, Aban?
In which school?
Yes?
Is it in Karachi?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. Okay, Aban.
Sure.
Do you love short stories, Aban?
Yes.
Do you love reading them or writing them?
I love both.
Oh, that's very good. Have you written down any short story, Aban?
Yes.
Yeah, you have. That's very good. Okay. So, and which one is your favorite?
Yes.
Yeah.
I love Matilda. It's a
Oh,
novel.
I also love Matilda. When I started reading Matilda, I couldn't keep the book down. I read it in one sitting. Isn't it so interesting? And there's a
Yes.
movie also available, Matilda. Did you watch that movie?
Yes.
And the girl in that movie is so, so beautiful, cute. Hai na?
Yes.
Okay, that's very good. Acha, Aban, you said you write down stories. When you write down stories, where do you struggle?
Grammar.
Grammar. Okay, that's okay, fine. Um, grammar is something which we will not discuss during this course. But when I'm teaching, I'll see that if I can deal with that to some extent. And now we have Hamna and Khadija. Thank you so much, Aban. We are moving on to Hamna and Khadija. Aban, please mute your speaker. Okay, switch your speaker off. Okay, Hamna and Khadija, please introduce yourself. Hamna and Khadija, can you listen to me? Yeah, dear. Hamna and Khadija, can you listen to me? I can see you both. Unmute yourself, dear. Okay, no problems. We'll come back to you, Hamna and Khadija, and we are moving on very quickly to Abdullah Farhan. Abdullah Farhan, kindly introduce yourself. Abdullah, I can't hear you properly. Speak a bit louder or take care of your mic. Something is happening. Something is not right with the mic. Now unmute yourself. Okay, Abdullah, I missed a few things, but no problems. What I'll expect that for in the time being when I'm taking introduction from just 2 or more students are left. Quickly, please do something about your mic. Okay. Okay. Now we have Nal, or you are Nihal, or Nal. You are kindly introduce yourself. Yes, dear. Nal, your mic, there is something wrong with your mic, dear. Take care of it and then introduce yourself. No, dear, there is something wrong with your mic. No problems. Just take the help of somebody in your home, okay? And take good care of the speakers. Do something about the speakers because you'll have to speak again and again during the course of this session, okay? Now, I'll very quickly move back to Hamna and Khadija. If they are there, I'll take their introduction and then we are going to move on. Hamna and Khadija, kindly introduce yourselves.
Their mic is not working.
Hamna and Khadija's mic, they have not unmuted themselves.
Their
So
mic is not working.
who is speaking?
Asjad Imran,
Azad, are they your sisters?
cousins.
Okay, they are your cousins and their mic is not working. Okay. Okay, then kindly do something about your mic, dear, because they'll have to be very interactive during the course of the session. No problems. We are moving on now. Okay, let's move on. Okay, we are done with the introduction. You know me very well now to a great extent. You know more about me during the session of the course of the session. And I know you, most of you now. I can see your faces. I know your names. I know from where you are. So we are good. We are good now. Abdullah Farhan, switch on your camera. Okay, now we are moving on. As soon as we start a week, I'll set some objectives and we will try to achieve those objectives during that week only. It's a 4-week course, so it's better if we try to stick to our objectives and we try to achieve them. So our first week's objective is definition of a short story. What is a short story? How it has been defined by different authors? What are the various genres of a short story? Difference between a short story and a novel. Somebody said novel is different from a short story. Of course it is. We are going to discuss that difference. Famous short story writers, who they are, what they have written, some very short stories which we are going to read and we are going to do an activity based on them. How important, how significant is the title of your story? We are going to discuss that as well. Then we are going to discuss the components of, in fact, we'll discuss the components first and then the title later. And then we are going to move on to the setting of your story, which is a very, very crucial element when you are writing down a short story. Okay. Yes, Aban, do you want to say something?
Yes. Miss, I also struggle in one more thing.
Ji beta.
I write too lengthy stories. I want to write short stories.
You want to write down short stories.
Yes, but I write lengthy.
You
and
write,
descriptive.
okay, you write down lengthy short stories. That's what you are saying.
No, I write long stories, but I want to write short stories.
Yes. Okay, fine. So that's why you are taking this course, huh? Short story writing, है ना? You write down long stories, you want to trim them down, है ना? That's what you want to do. So you will learn how to trim them down. Okay. So Asjad, did you introduce yourself? Asjad, have you introduced yourself? Okay, that's good. That's good. Okay, just a second. Okay, now let's move on. What is a short story? How it has been defined by different authors. It's a must that we take authentic definitions. So, a very famous writer, Michael Baldwin, what does he say about a short story? How does he define a short story? Let's have a look. A short story does not contain a life history, nor the total history of an endeavor, but hardly a rich tapestry of scene, mood, and character. So, what does he say? Can a novel contain a life history? Yes, it can. Can a novel contain multiple subplots? Yes, it can. Can a short story contain multiple subplots? No, it cannot. Can it go for a complete life study of a person, of his protagonist? No, it cannot. Just a second. I want to drink some water. Just a second. I'll stop here for a minute. Okay, we are back. What is the difference between, okay, I'll talk about the difference later. First of all, let's read these definitions and then we are going to move on. A short story constitutes of a series of events that lends a character into a situation of dramatic intensity and a struggle that will eventually lead him out. In a short story, you can't have multiple characters. You have to stick to a handful of characters and you have to stick to a limited, restricted series of events. There has to be a struggle from which the protagonist or the hero will eventually move out. Okay, let's move on and see how else it has been defined. How long a short story should be. Aban said, I write down short stories, but they are very, very long. So how long it should be, how short it can be. A short story should not consist of more than 20,000 words. Here is a very, very proper defined length of a short story. It should not consist of more than 20,000 words. Otherwise, it will turn into a novel. Though there can also be a short story of 100 words defined as flash fiction. You must have read a few stories like scribbled stories. There are pages there on Facebook. There are one-liner stories, are pages there on Facebook. I mean, online through media, there is a lot which is available. One-liner stories are available. A story of 50 words, a story of 33 words, a story of 50 words, a story of 100 words. These all will be defined as flash fiction. A genre of short story. Okay, not a short story itself. Now, there is one more definition by O. Henry. I believe Vishal must have read some stories of O. Henry. I'll give you the whole secret to short story writing. Here it is. Rule number 1. Write stories that please yourself. And there is no rule 2. It means write something that gives you pleasure. Not something that makes you feel intense or pressurized. Okay. Now, difference between a short story and a novel. What is the difference between a short story and a novel? Broadly speaking, a short story is a piece of prose fiction short enough to be read comfortably in one sitting. You should be able to read a short story in one sitting. For a novel, you can go on day after day and keep trying to complete it. Since it is short, it details best with only a handful of characters, a short stretch of time, and a concentrated action. A novel, by contrast, may introduce us to a rainbow of characters spanning several generations and caught up in a complicated web of events. You take out one day from the life of a person, talk about that, turn it into a story, it will become a short story. Just one day. You talk about the whole life of a person, and what you are writing is not a short story, is a novel. Understood? So the difference between a short story and a novel is the difference between a day and a complete life. I'll give you one more example. The difference between a short story and a novel is just like the difference between a room in which I'm sitting and my whole area where I live. What do you say? Understood the difference? Did you understand the difference between a novel and a short story? Yeah?
It's mean that a summary.
No, it's not a summary. It deals with just very, very restricted number of people, very, very restricted number of events, or concentrated or shortened action in a very short stretch of time. Okay, so you can't talk about the, you see, there are some novels written in which multiple generations of people have been included and discussed. You can't do the same thing in short story. It has to be limited. Okay, now famous short story writers, who they are, what they have written. I've written down a few names on this slide and the next one, and we are going to discuss where can you find these stories, what you can do about this. Okay, I'll show you a few websites where these stories are available. You can go back after this class, check those websites and read these stories if you are really interested. Okay, so Anton Chekhov is one of the most famous writers of short stories. Guy de Maupassant is another. Hans Christian Andersen is the author who has written down these stories which all of us have read in our childhood. Some of you are still children, you are still reading. So The Ugly Duckling was written by Hans Christian Andersen. The Princess and the Pea was written by him. The Little Match Girl was written by him. Thumbelina, my favorite childhood story, was written by him. Brothers Grimm are another two brothers who have written down a number of very, very famous stories. So we all know about Cinderella. Remember? We all have read Cinderella. Who has written down Cinderella? Rapunzel. Who has written down Rapunzel? Who has written down the elves, the giant, and the tailor? Who has written down the rose? So the author's name is Brothers Grimm. Now here comes John Cheever, one of the very famous story writers. Edgar Allan Poe, about which he shall talk. She said the Telltale Heart. She has read it.
Telltale Heart is really good, and Anton Chekhov's. I really like Anton Chekhov's books.
Of course. So the ones who are old enough and are there in this course and would like to read it, they can go back and read it. There are so many websites on which the links of these stories of these authors have been given. I will show you some of the websites. You need not even buy any book or buy anything. You'll just have to search. You'll have to Google and you will find multiple links. We talked about Brothers Grimm. I'll show you where you can find the story. Ernest Hemingway, again another very, very, very famous short story writer. Isaac Babel. Franz Kafka was a Jew and a masterful artist of short story writing. Mark Twain, a novelist and a short story writer. The same is the case with so many others. Roald Dahl, maybe so many of you have read so many stories of Roald Dahl. And Blyton again is one of the very famous present days writer. So many stories are available. They are there in school libraries everywhere. Okay, now we'll stop here for a while and I'll show you some of the websites where you can find the links of these stories. Okay, and you can read them on your own. So let's go to those websites. Have a look. Owlcation is one website. Okay, there are multiple others. You just need to Google and you will find many. Okay. Short stories for high school students, which you are, some of you are in secondary school, some of you are in primary, but I'll show you a few websites and you can find multiple other websites for primary school, elementary school students as well. Okay. The Story of an Hour. I believe some of you have read it. Some of you have not maybe, and it is a link. Have a look. I can even open this story and I'll open it for you. It's a 1020 word long story. So the story of an hour, I have opened it and I can read it very easily. And that's what you should also do. The use of force, rather and nothing else. One of these days, again, one of these days, 920 words only. Here is a link and I can open this and see. I just opened this story like this. Here it is. You can read it easily. See. So the whole idea is that you should know how to search for your favorite stories and how to open them. I'll show you one more website. Okay. Opening this one, I talked about Brothers Grimm. I talked about he has written down so many stories for children. So Haneen, Hamna, Khadija, and I could see Nahal, who couldn't introduce herself, but they are the ones who are in this age group and they can easily read it. So Brothers Grimm, just write down Google stories of Brothers Grimm and you will find these stories. See, these are all links. You can easily open these links. See Rapunzel. I can open this.
Stories of?
And here it is. You can open this story and you can read it. Go back. Let's go back. The Riddle, Cinderella, Little Red Cap. This is for the younger children. Okay, you can search all these stories. There are so many links available. Hundreds and thousands of stories are available online and you can read all these stories. Okay, I just opened a few websites for you so that you will have an idea. Okay, now we are going back to our presentation, our slides. Where were we? Here. Okay. So we have discussed famous short story writers and their stories, and I have showed you a few websites as well where you can find these stories of these writers. Okay. Now we are going to move on to various genres of a short story. When you are talking about a short story, is a short story only a short story? Are there other ways of defining and categorizing a short story? If there are other ways, what are they? Let's have a look. Okay. Under the umbrella of the term short story, you can have fairy tales, you can have science fiction, you can have horror stories, mystery, humorous stories, fable, parable, mythical stories. Historical fiction can also be there, though very, very wittily dealt with. Flash fiction, as we talked about, very, very short stories, detective stories, crime stories, romance, fantasy, folk tales. There can be so many things written down under the umbrella of a short story. If you want to be a specialized short story writer, you can choose one of the genres and write down only under it. If you want to be a writer that writes down multiple types of short stories, again, you can go for some of these, isn't it so? So all this can be done. Now we are going to move on to different components of a short story. It means different elements, ingredients with which you make a short story. Okay. Title is the very first thing. Very soon I'll ask you how important, how significant a title is. Okay, title is one thing. Then there are other elements including setting, characterization, characters, plot, exposition. Exposition is the beginning of the story. Then we have conflict and then we have resolution. Resolution is the ending. Okay. So these are different elements of the short story which we are going to discuss through the sessions across the month. Okay. I believe by the end of the course, we'll be able to deal with specific vocabulary, short storytelling vocabulary as well. Okay. What's in a title? How important a title is? Would somebody like to answer this question? I'll ask Asjad. Asjad, how important a title is? Kindly unmute yourself and answer.
Title is very important. If there will be no title, so how we will know which type of story is it, and we can't search any story without the title.
Okay, thank you, Asad. Ishal, tell me, is it easy for you to decide on the title of a story, or it takes you some time?
It doesn't take me some time. I just decide whatever, because when I choose to write story writing in my free time, I first settle on the title.
There is a certain echo, Ishal, in your mic, and we couldn't listen to you
Hello?
properly. Yes, again, Ishal, what do you say?
Yeah. I choose the title first, and it's easy for me because when I use my free time for writing stories, I settle on the title first, then I write the story, so it's easy for me to know what I'm writing about.
What should be there in a title, Ishal?
It shouldn't be too like spoiling. It shouldn't spoil what you're doing. It should be like, it should like convince you that this is a good book and you should read it. It should
Okay,
be
so
like,
you should know some tricks. You should basically know some tricks on
yeah.
how to write down a title, isn't it so? So, Abdullah
Yes.
Farhan, tell me how long a title should be. A title can be a sentence, Abdullah. What do you say?
Could be of 10
Yes,
to
Abdullah.
11 words.
Abdullah, switch on your camera and your mic. Yes, Abdullah.
Could be of 10 to 11 words or 20 words.
How long it should be? Give me a very quick, crisp answer. How long it should be?
It should be of 3 to 4 words.
Okay. It cannot be a sentence, or can it be?
It can be.
Okay, Abdullah, thank you. Abdullah, mute your, thank you so much. Okay, now. Title does what? Title introduces your work to the world. When people talk about your story, how good it was, how bad it was, how will they talk about it? They'll take the name of your title. They'll discuss the title of your story. No matter how they take it, in a good way or in a bad way, the story, whether your story is well received or it is not, the title of your story will always be there, which will be discussed by people. When people see your story in bookstores or in an anthology, they read the title first. If the title is attractive, they'll pick up the book, or otherwise they will not. Okay, so decide on the words of your title very, very cleverly and wisely. So, what should be a few rules of thumb for your title? One thing, titles should not be dull. You have to have some wittiness of yours, some humorous side of your personality added to that title, or some wittiness at least. Okay, it should be intriguing, it should attract, it should hook the readers. So, there are some titles, sample titles which I have included here. Titles should not be dull. So you should say, you only live twice. You know, you have heard that expression, you only live once. And you play with those words and it can become a title, you only live twice. Live and let live is another expression. And an author has turned it into live and let die. I mean, how catchy it is. See, have a look at it yourself. So a title has to always be decided upon very, very cleverly. Titles should be easy to remember. So don't decide on a word that is too difficult for a reader to read. I mean, you can think maybe that your story is a masterpiece, and that's why you have titled it like you choose a very complicated name for it as the title. But then the reader will not read it, will not like it. It has to be simple. It has to be easy to remember. So, Gone for Good, Good as Gold. These are a few titles which are simple, easy, and easy to remember. Titles should be appropriate. You write down a science story and name it as if it is a fairy tale. Again, I mean it is not something which should be there. What do you say? Just a second. Just a second. If somebody is raising hand, I'll take their just a second. Wait. To Kill a Mockingbird, Tell No One, Airport. These are the titles which are appropriate to the story, to the story itself. It's not like you write down a horror story and name it Cinderella. It can't be done. Okay, so your titles should be very much linked to the story which you have written down. Okay, Haneen, you are asking something. Yes, Haneen, you wanted to say something. Okay, Haneen, no problems. But I saw,
want to say.
yeah. Nothing? Okay, no problem, Haneen. Okay, till now, everyone is with me. You know now what are the different elements of a short story. You know now what is a title. Okay, what we are going to do now, we are going to do a very simple activity. Okay, I gave you few rules of thumb for writing down titles. I told you how significant your title is. I gave you few sample titles as well, right? What will I do is now I'll make you read a story. Here it is. Okay, read it. Take, I think this story should take 2 minutes. Okay, for everybody it will take 2 minutes, I believe. Okay, take 2 minutes, read the story, think of a title, and I'm going to ask you one by one. Okay, I'm giving you 2 minutes to read the story on your own. Okay, dear. Now we are back. I think 2 minutes are up. Right. Okay. Haneen raised hand. That's very good. Haneen, it means I believe you have read the story, right? Okay, Haneen, unmute yourself. Have you read the story now?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
Haneen, I'll start with you. Okay.
Okay.
Tell me, if you want to title this particular story, which is a very short, simple story, how will you title it?
Afternoon nap.
Oh, wow, afternoon nap. I love this title. I really like it. Thank you so much, Haneen. Aban, did you think of a title for this story?
School teacher in ancient stages.
School teacher? Oh, I understood. I
Ancient
understood.
stages.
School teacher in ancient sages. Okay, Ishal,
Yes, Miss.
did you decide on a title?
Yes, Miss. My title is The Sages in Dreamland.
The sages in dreamland. That's very good. Okay, we are moving on. And then very quickly, I'll discuss which title was the most appropriate. Okay. Now, Abdullah Farhan. Abdullah, which title have you decided upon? Yes, Abdullah. Abdullah, write down in chat which title you have decided upon. Nal, your mic is working. Yes, Nal. Did you think of a title quickly, Nal? Hamna and Khadija, please write down your titles in the chat. I'll read since your mic is not working. Haneen dear, I'll come back to you. I have seen your raised hand. Just a second, dear. Yes, Nal. Okay, Nal, write down your title in the chat box and I'll read it. Asjad, what's your title?
The Dreamland.
The Dreamland. Okay. In the Dreamland. Okay. Who is left? Javeria. Javeria, quickly. Which title you decided upon?
The title?
Which
I don't
title?
know.
Think of a title. It's a very
Like-
simple story.
The map of animals.
Okay. Let's see. My sister also wants to say, okay, Haneen, I'm coming back to you and I'll listen to what your sister wants to say. Okay, Nap of a School Teacher, written by Abdullah. Hamna and Khadija, a short nap. Okay. Nap of a School Teacher, Hamna and Khadija. Okay, fine. Okay, that's very good, very good, very good. Okay. Okay. Now, I'll quickly go back to Haneen. Yes, Haneen, quickly. What does your sister have to say?
I want to say that another title could be The Dreamland Mystery.
The Dreamland Mystery. And what's your name, dear?
Hania.
Hania. Hania, that's very good. The Dreamland Mystery is a very, very good title. Okay. Fine. Which one was, or okay, before that, I'm not going to name any title as the best title, but I'll ask you one thing. Who is the main character in this story? Quickly, anyone can answer. Who is the main character in this story? Yeah,
The teacher.
the teacher. Okay. Could somebody think of a title that has anything to do with the teacher and his sleep? So if we do it, if we go by this rule that we take the that we use the main character who is there and his action which he is performing, then one more title could be the sleepy teacher. Isn't it so? It's capturing two things: the teacher, who is the main character, and his sleep. Somebody said afternoon nap, and I think Haneen said it. I really like this title, Mystery of the Dreamland. I love it. There are other titles which were said by Ishal. What did you say?
I said the sages in Dreamland.
Okay, that was also good. Asjad, what did you say?
Dreamland.
The Dreamland only. You
Yes.
have to add one more keyword to it, but otherwise it's good, and I really like it. We are moving on quickly to another story. Now, this is interesting. Okay, you are going to read it. I'll give you 2 minutes again. I think 2.5 minutes to read this story, and then we'll come back and we are going to discuss the title of this story very quickly. Okay.
Buried his
Read it.
golden secret place in his heart.
Okay. Have you read this story now?
Yes, miss.
Yeah. Okay. Who is the main character in this story?
The main
Miser.
a miser.
Okay, a miser. Okay. What has happened? What is the problem?
The problem is that the miser lost his gold. A thief stole it. So he's asking about his gold. Someone has robbed me.
Okay.
Something like that.
And was he is he, since he's a miser, we can all see that he must not have been spending his money, his gold at all. So
Yeah.
somebody is not spending anything. Is it worth something?
Nope, it's not worth a penny.
It's not worth anything at all. So what did that passerby tell him?
The passerby told him to cover. He threw a stone into the hole and told him
Because it
that
was,
you.
yeah,
Yeah.
very, very good,
It's
Ishal.
like a moral story.
Yeah, because it was worth nothing as such.
Yeah.
Because he was not spending it. If you don't
Yeah.
spend anything, it is worth nothing. It's just like a stone, it is nothing at all. Okay. I can see two raised hands. So Aban, I'll start with Aban. Yes, Aban.
Miss, I think the title should be The Worthless Treasure.
Oh my God, I love this title. This could actually be the title of this story. Aban, you are so intelligent. I think from here I can see that yes, of course, you have decided on a very, very good title, Aban. Yes, Haneen. Haneen, I can see your raised hand.
My title, I think the title is The Robbed Treasure.
Okay, the robbed treasure. And Aban said the worthless treasure. That's very good. Both the titles are amazing. Hania, you want to say something?
The Day the Miser Got Robbed.
Yeah, that's very good. That captures the setting. I will discuss setting and then you will come to know that what exactly we are talking about. Okay. Setting will include time and place. You are referring to time. The day the miser got robbed. I mean, it's very, very, very good. It's very good title. Asjad. Asjad, have you decided upon any title? Yes, Asjad. Quickly, beta.
The buried gold.
Okay, the buried gold. Okay, the buried gold. That's very good. Aban is done. Ishal, we are moving on to you. That's very good, Asjad. I really liked your no, Javeria. Javeria is here. Javeria? Yes, Javeria. What title you decided upon?
The Sharp Thief, something like that.
What?
The Sharp Thief.
Okay, fine. Ishal, which title did you decide upon?
I haven't decided upon any since I'm not having that much ideas, but I'll try.
Okay, try and I'll come back to you. Okay. Hamna and Khadija, your mic is working. Okay, Ishal, what do you think of that title which was given by Aban? The Worthless Treasure.
Aban wrote a really good. He thought of a very good title, and I think it fits. It suits it. It suits the story.
Exactly. It justifies the story so well that after his title and Haneen's title, it's really difficult to think of a new title, isn't it so? The Worthless Treasure. And she said the Robbed Treasure. So yes, of course, both of the title and Hanya said something. Hanya said the day the miser was robbed. So I think these were so amazing titles that really it's difficult to now decide on a very, very good title. But keep thinking and I'll come back to you, Ishal. Hamna and Khadija, what did you decide upon? Did you write it in chat box or your mic is working now? Okay, Hamna and Khadija, please mention your title in. Abdullah Farhan has written down the greedy miser. Okay, Abdullah, very good. But miser, the word itself, The word includes the sense of greediness in itself. So you are defining something which is already there. So um, miser is always greedy. Okay. But it's a good title, but you can work on the vocabulary part of this second word. Okay, Hamna and Khadija, please mention your title. And Nal is saying, can I try again with my mic? Of course, Nal, you can. I would love to listen to you, Nal. Please try again with your mic. Hamna and Khadija said robbed miser, which is very good. Yes, Nal. No, Nal, dear. Your mic again is not working. Something is wrong there. Try again. No, dear, it's not working. It's not working. There is some problem. Take help from some elder. Can anyone hear Nal? Yes or no? Unes, can you hear Nal? Okay, no problems. Okay. Abdullah has given us his title. Nal, please do something about your mic there because it's not working. Okay. Okay. No problems. I believe I have taken titles from almost everyone. Is there anyone who is left? No? Okay. But I loved the way you are responding. Okay. Let's move on. Now this is such a good story. Again, since it is a short story writing course, I will bombard you with the stories. Okay, you'll have to read, you'll have to write. When you will start writing, which maybe inshallah in the next session, which is tomorrow, we'll start writing actually. So you'll have to keep a pen and a paper by your side. Okay, that you have to do. Okay, maybe today I'll ask you to write something. Then again, you will have to do it. Okay, keep a pen and a paper by your side. I'm going to minimize the camera screen and you will have to read this story. And while you are reading, look for the keywords. Now, again, I'm giving you a trick. Look for the keywords, look for the characters, the major characters which are there, and use those keywords. Refer to the theme. These are tricks, okay? Either you can refer to the theme to decide on a title. What is the theme of the story? Or you can refer to the characters who are there in the story while you are deciding on the title. Okay, or you can look for a very catchy phrase in the story. If it is there and you believe that it will work as a story a title, go for it. Make it the title of your story. Okay, so these are a few tricks which you can actually use. I'll minimize this screen, read the story, and I'm giving you again 3 minutes for reading this story and we will think of a title. Okay, I can see raised hands of Haneen and Hania. I'll come back to you. Okay, right. So are we done reading? Yes? Okay. I can see the hands of Haneen and Hania. Okay, so I'll begin with them and I'll move on quickly to Asjad. Okay, Asjad, be ready. So yes, Haneen and Hania, please unmute yourself.
My title is The Mean Wolf.
The Mean Wolf. Okay, I like it. Yes, Hania.
My title is The Selfish Wolf or The Greedy Wolf.
The Selfish or the Greedy Wolf. I like your titles. Really, they are very good. They are referring to the main character. They are referring to the main theme of the story. What is the main theme of the story? They are talking about one characteristic of the character as well, which is wolf. Isn't it so? And two people have raised their hands, which is like Asjad. I'll move on to Asjad. Yes, Asjad.
Never trust a dishonest person.
Again, Asjad.
Never trust a dishonest person.
Okay, that's very good. It's a good title, a lengthy one, but it's a very good title and I like it. Aban.
Selfish dealer.
Again, Aban.
Selfish friend or a selfish dealer.
Or selfish wolf. Okay, right. We are moving on. Thank you, Aban. Javeria. Yes, Javeria, quickly.
Yes, miss. I would say the happy ending.
Happy ending.
Yeah.
Happy ending is the title. Does it justify the story, Javeria?
What?
Does it justify the story?
Yes, like as in the thing, I could have bite off your head and your mouth. Right? Isn't that a happy ending?
No, I'm asking, does it justify the story, the theme of the story, the characters of the story? Happy ending in the sense that the crane was left to live by the wolf. That's why you're saying happy ending.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. But one rule of thumb was, what was one rule of thumb when we were talking? The title should be appropriate. This title is not appropriate. It does not justify the story. Isn't it so, Javeria? What do you say? Good, Javeria, when it's a fable. Don't you think so? It's a fable. What is a fable? A fable is a story, a short story in which the animals are being treated as human beings. They can talk, they can behave like human beings, they can be selfish. You know, fable. So it's a fable. There are two main characters. You could hint upon one of the characters or both of the characters. You could hint
Yes.
upon theme. Okay, no problems. We are now moving on to Ishal.
Yes, miss.
Yes, Ishal.
My would be the greedy wolf.
The greedy wolf. Okay. Hamna
Yes.
and Khadija?
Miss,
Yes, dear.
you said a fable is that which had animals like acting like a human, but the fable is that a story which have a moral in it.
That is also something. At the end of each and every fable, there is a moral which sometimes is stated very, very clearly. Sometimes you are supposed to understand it on your own. Isn't it so? In most of the fables, you have animals as characters, but they are stories which have moral, right? That's how it is. Okay, beta. Nal, could you please write down your title in the chat box? Abdullah, what's your title? Yes, Abdullah, quickly. What's your title? Or maybe you can write it down again. I'm checking the chat box now. Let's see how many titles we have got here. Abdullah, the rude or cruel wolf. Okay. Who else has written down? Miss, I wrote down 3 long stories. I'll send you inshallah. Okay, inshallah. And who is this? Okay, that's it. Hamna and Khadija, mic is not working. Rob, Tumaisa, Hamna and Khadija, I'm still waiting for your title. Okay, foolish, not fool. foolish crane. Okay, so not fool crane, foolish crane. Okay, the rude or fool, wolf. That's very good. I like these titles. Okay, now okay, I will move on to the last story in this series. Okay, and then you are going to read this story. It's a very good story. You are going to read it. You are going to give me one last title, and then we'll move on to setting. Let's read this one. Okay, come on now. I'll minimize this screen. Yeah, kindly read it. And how many minutes will be given? There are 2 slides of this story. So how many minutes will I give you? I think I'll give you 3 to 4 minutes. When you are done, kindly raise your hands.
Miss, I'm done reading.
Okay, we are moving on to the next slide. I believe most of you have read this one. Okay, so let's move on. Yeah, this is the second and the last slide of this story. Okay, I believe we are done, right?
Yes.
Okay, let me go back to the previous slide. Okay, now, how was the story? Was it interesting?
Yes, miss.
Did you enjoy reading it?
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
Yeah.
Now, who is the first one who would like to give the answer first? Now, I'm not going to take any name. Any
Could
one
I?
of, yeah, please do.
Okay, so mine is the jealous courtier,
The just courtier. Okay,
or
that's what.
the jealous courtier, or the intelligent Birbala.
Okay, okay, fine. I got it, and I liked your title. I'll quickly move on to someone else. So, Javeria, maybe. Javeria, did you think of a title?
No.
Okay, not yet. No problems. Nal, kindly mention your title in the chat box. And Hamna and Khadija, you too. Aban, your hand is raised. Haneen's hand is raised. Just a second, I'm coming to you. Azjad, what's your title?
I didn't read the full.
What's your title, Asjad?
I didn't read the full.
You didn't read the whole story, so you are still on the next slide. I'll move to the next slide. Okay, you can read the rest of the story, Asjad. Aban, yes. Aban, what's your answer?
Astonishing Birbal.
Astonishing Birbal. Okay, that's good. Haneen.
The free question.
Yes, dear. Again, Haneen, I missed your
The
answer.
free question.
Okay.
free
the
question.
free questions. Haneen, you are so intelligent. You know, this is the original title of the story. The original title of the story is 3 questions. You know it. Okay, Hania.
I think the title could be The Courtier's Riddles.
That's very good. The Courtier's Riddle. And I really like your title. And I will congratulate Haneen, but because Haneen, you came up with the original title of this story. You know, this is the original title, the 3 questions. That's very good. We are moving on to Ishal is done. Javeria. Javeria, did you answer?
Miss, I understand like the story, like
But we are there on the second slide. You can read it now. You can read it, okay? You can keep reading and then I'll come back to you. Abdullah Farhan, what's your
Yes.
title? Yes, Abdullah.
Miss Birbal was the minister of Akbar.
Who is speaking out of turn? Who is speaking out of turn?
Me.
Who? Azad, please wait for your turn. Okay? Now, I was talking to Abdullah Farhan. Yes, Abdullah Farhan, what title have you decided upon? Abdullah, no problems. Mention your title in the chat box. Nal, please mention your title in the chat box. Hamna and Khadija, please mention your title in the chat box, and I'm moving on to chat box. Javeria, are you done thinking?
maybe the puzzling riddles.
Okay, the intelligent Birbal. That's what Abdullah has written. Yes, Javeria, again, what were you saying?
Yes.
What were you saying, Javeria?
You asked me to do your title, right? So I would suggest the puzzling riddles.
Okay, fine. I get it. Thank you. I like your title, Birbal's Intelligence, Hamna and Khadija. I'll just read the titles for everybody. Is the intelligent Birbal, Abdullah has written. Akbar and Birbal, Naz has written, which is very good because most of these stories of Akbar and Birbal, people like to title them as Akbar and Birbal. The 3 questions, Asjad. The 3 questions was, this answer was given by Asjad and Haneen too. Haneen also said the same thing. So thank you so much, all of you. We are moving on, right? With this, we are moving on to the next element of short story writing. We are done with titles. Okay. You know what a title is. You know how significant a title can be. You know how to title a story now. You have read a few stories in this session as well. One advice which is given by authors is that try to keep your title short and attractive. So try to minimize it to 3 words. Standard title usually goes for 3 words. Okay. You can definitely go for more than that as well. There is always no hard and fast rule when you are doing some creativity. And this is creative writing. Short story is creative writing. So yes, of course, you can definitely go for more words as well. But then just to add to the to the attractiveness of the story. Okay, we are moving on to the second element of short story writing, which is setting. Setting is where your story takes place. Where and when, at what time. So setting is the time and place of the action of a story. Got it? The core elements of setting are time, on which you will decide whether the story is happening in past, present, or future, whether the story is happening in distant past or distant future, at what time of the day, at what time of the year, what is the weather like, what is the season like. Okay, that all will be included in time, place where the story is happening. You will have to decide upon a place, you will have to describe it, visualize and describe that place. What is the mood of your story? How the mood will be decided upon? With the help of time, place, social context, and cultural context, you will create a mood for your story. So you set a story in a cave. Okay, there are two characters who are living in a cave who are struggling to survive. The mood of the story will be different. The same two characters, you place them in today's setting in a city, and the whole mood of the story will change. So the core elements of the setting are time, place, mood, social context, and cultural context. Everything is included in setting. Now let's see. I have included a sample setting here, and I'll ask you a few things when you are done reading it. Sample setting is, when Jonathan woke up, he knew something was not right. There was no light coming through his curtains. His room was dark. His mom did not yell for him to eat breakfast. There was no smell of bacon. He slowly got out of bed and tiptoed to his curtain. Peeking behind his curtain, he saw mounds of snow piled outside. There was no chance that school was happening today. Have all of you read it now? I read it for you, right? This is just a paragraph in which some sense of the setting has been given. See how setting has been embedded into the action and the characters of the story. So when you are talking about setting, you are not just describing a place in your story. You embed that place, you embed that mood, that social context, that cultural context, that time, that place in the actions of the story. Can you see that in the action of the story, all 5 things have been included, have been embedded? Isn't it so? What do you say? What is the time of the day? Can you guess from this paragraph what is the time of the day?
It's morning,
It's morning. Okay.
It's morning.
early
How-
morning, because school starts early morning.
Yeah. How is the weather like?
Snowy.
Okay.
It's snowy.
Okay. What about the mood of the story? What do you think is going to happen?
Curious mood.
Yeah, it's a very curious mood, and how
Curious.
it has been, how it has been created. Because while the setting was being described or embedded into the story, so many things have been revealed. There was no light coming through. His mom was not here. There was no smell of bacon. Nothing actually was happening. So he will have to move out of his room now, and he will have to look for what has happened outside. Why the things are not routine, usual, isn't it so? So you will have to embed the setting just like this in your stories. You can't devote a whole paragraph to setting and describe this is the day like, this is the place like, here are the flowers and here is a garden, or this is the time of the day. You can't do this. You will have to embed all of it into the story, the action of the story. Okay. Now, there is an activity in which you are going to read a few sample paragraphs in which setting is there. You will have to tell me very quickly when and where is this story is taking place, and you will have to give me your answers. In fact, I'll save this story for tomorrow. Okay. Now tell me one by one. I will move. We'll keep sticking to setting in our tomorrow's class as well. Maybe I'll begin something new by the end of that class. Maybe not, because this week's target is definition and authors and setting and title and all that. I'll make you write something tomorrow. This is something which I intend to do tomorrow. So be ready. We'll read a lot, but then writers begin as readers. Have you heard this? You will have to read a lot. You will have to take in a lot, and then only you will be able to create something new. Okay, so take inspiration from other writers, and then you'll be able to become a very good short story writer. Okay, now I'll very quickly take some feedback for tomorrow's class. Before that, I'd like to announce for tomorrow's class, please, again, I'll not ask again and again to switch on your cameras and all that. Kindly keep your cameras switched on. Please keep a pen and a paper by your side. Be ready to write tomorrow. I really liked all of you as my students. I can see that you are willing to learn. I can see that you are willing to absorb. I can see that you have a lot of respect for the instructor. You are not speaking out of your turn. You are trying to absorb things, which I really like. You are taking care of the decorum of the online classes. I really like all of it about all of you. We know each other now very well. So tomorrow will again, I hope, inshallah, will be smooth. Inshallah, we'll run the session smoothly. I hope there will be no connectivity issue like it was not here today. Though there can be such problems in Pakistan, we can have sometimes some connectivity issues, light, just the electricity issues are there and all that. I just hope nothing like that is going to happen, and inshallah our classes will run smoothly. Now, very quickly, I'll devote 5 minutes of this first session to take your quick feedback. Tell me, I'll start with Haneen and Hania very quickly, and I'll take your live quick feedback about today's session. Haneen and Hania, please unmute yourself and tell me, did you enjoy today's session?
Yeah, yes, we did. We did. I enjoyed the session, and I learned a lot about the titles and all. And me too.
You too. Thank you so much, both of you. Asjad, yes, we are moving on to Asjad. Asjad, your honest feedback. Did you enjoy today's session?
Yes.
You did? What did you learn, Asjad?
How to give the title and the parts of the stories and the creator, and I learned about the authors of the stories.
And you also learned how to participate in a live discussion, isn't it so? You also learned how to be very attentive, isn't it so?
Yes.
This is also something which all of us are learning in this new scenario in which we are online, more online than we are in physical classes, isn't it so? So there is a decorum of the online classes which we all are following. That's very good, and all of us are learning this, and I can see you, Asjad. You're looking very good, by the way. Aban, we are going to move on to Aban. Yes, Aban, did you enjoy today's session?
Yes, I love today's session.
That's very good. And I also loved your participation. You know, you were very, very active. Ishal?
Thank you.
Yes, miss. Well,
Yes, Ishal.
Yes, miss.
What
My
did
my feedback for this class is that it had been very how should I say it? Very worthwhile. It was very worthwhile. It was very good, and every stories that you gave us were leading by example, and they're meeting goals. So thank you, and I think I shall be continuing this course maybe.
Okay, that's very good. That's very good. One thing which I like to talk about here, when you mentioned the stories have been selected based on the age group of the students. You can see, all of us can see that there are students ranging from Haneen and Hania to Aban to Ishal to Javeria. So the whole idea is that I'll keep the stories. The level of the stories, the maturity level of the stories will be as such that everybody will be able to participate. But the tricks and the strategies which will be told, you will be, as a mature reader, maybe you will be able to apply the same tricks and strategies to your stories which you read. And I believe the stories which you read are at a more mature level, isn't it so? So, but the whole idea is that I want to give you the tips and tricks with which you can decide upon title, with which you can decide upon your setting, with which you know how to blend your setting into the story and all that. So the whole idea is that we will keep the stories which we read in the class short and simple, so that everybody will read at home. You can play with whatever has been taught in the class and apply to whatever you like. Okay. Now we are going to move on to Javeria. Yes, Javeria, your feedback for this class. For the
Yes,
first, yeah, for the first session, your feedback.
like yeah, it was really good, but like the stories were kind of like I know you said that they're for a small level, but like they were interesting but kind of short. I don't have like the fashion writing short stories.
You
Like,
can apply. You can apply the tips and tricks which have been taught to your stories, isn't it? So you can apply the
okay.
same tips and tricks to. You will get to know what setting is. You will get to know how to write down a title. You will get to know how complicated a setting can be. You will get to know how to blend a setting. You will get to know how to develop a character. But I'll have to take care of each and every student in the class. You can apply the same tips and tricks to the kind of stories which you read and which you want to write. Okay. The whole idea is to learn these strategies. Okay. So I believe you
Miss,
can
thank
learn
you.
these strategies. Okay. That's very good, Javeria.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Nals, speaker. Nals, your speaker is working now. Nal, your speaker is working. Your mic is working. No? No problems. Then I'll move on to Abdullah Farhan. Yes, Abdullah. Yes, dear Abdullah. What's your feedback?
Miss, can we leave the meeting because we have to go somewhere and we're getting late. So can we leave right now?
You can. Who it is? Haneen and Hania? Is this you?
Yes, Miss.
No problems, dear. Of course, you can leave the meeting. You have given your feedback. The ones who have given their feedback can leave now. The ones whose mic is not working can write down their feedback in the chat box and they can leave the meeting. Time is up. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz. Take good care.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz, dear. Allah Hafiz, beta. Allah Hafiz, dear. The ones who are done with the feedback can leave the meeting. Azit, you can leave the meeting. Aban, you can leave the meeting. Nal, if you want, you can write down a short feedback there. If not, no problems at all. Hamna and Khadija, if you want, you can write down something. If not, no problems at all. You are all allowed to leave the meeting now. Okay. Thank you so much. Wait, I want to reach chat.